Hello, fellow Earthlings. Are you ready for a night that's truly out of this world? Because this week the universe is rolling out a celestial red carpet just for us. For stargazers and skywatchers everywhere, the cosmos is putting on a double feature you absolutely won't want to miss. It's the kind of night that makes you want to grab your friends, head outside, and just look up in wonder. First up, we have a supermoon, the dazzling Beaver Supermoon, shining brighter and appearing larger than usual, lighting up the night sky with its silvery glow. And as if that wasn't enough, the Taurid Meteor Shower will be sending brilliant fireballs streaking overhead, painting the darkness with bursts of light. It's a rare, cosmic coincidence. Two spectacular events happening at the same time, right above our heads. Imagine a night when the sky is alive with both a giant, glowing moon and meteors racing across the stars. It's a perfect storm of celestial beauty. The moon will be at its biggest and brightest, casting a magical light over everything below. Meanwhile, meteors will zip across the sky, some so bright they'll outshine the stars for a moment. The Taurids are famous for their slow, bright fireballs, nature's own fireworks, lighting up the night in spectacular fashion. The best part? You don't need a telescope or any fancy equipment, just your eyes, a clear view of the sky, and a sense of wonder. In this chapter, we'll break down what makes each event so special, how they interact, and why this overlap is so rare. We'll also share tips on how you can catch the best view. So grab a blanket, maybe some hot cocoa, and invite your favorite people to join you under the stars. Get ready for a night of cosmic awe, a memory you'll want to hold on to. This is your chance to step outside, look up, and be part of a global moment as people everywhere turn their eyes to the sky. Experience the universe in action, feel the excitement, the curiosity, and the wonder that connects us all. We'll explore the science behind the Beaver Supermoon and the Taurid meteors, uncovering the secrets of why these events happen and what makes them so breathtaking. Why does the moon look so big and bright tonight? What's the story behind the name Beaver Supermoon? Where do those fiery meteors come from, and why do they seem to move so slowly and shine so brilliantly? We'll answer it all, and more. The sky's putting on a show, and you've got a front row seat. So let's get ready to witness one of nature's most unforgettable performances together. First up, let's talk about one of the most dazzling sights in the night sky, the Beaver Supermoon. This isn't just any full moon, it's a celestial event that draws stargazers and skywatchers from all over the world. When the supermoon rises, it's hard not to stop and stare in awe at its sheer size and brilliance. But what exactly makes a supermoon super? It all comes down to the moon's distance from Earth. The moon doesn't orbit in a perfect circle. Instead, its path is slightly stretched out, forming an ellipse. That means sometimes the moon is closer to us. This point is called perigee. When a full moon happens at perigee, it appears noticeably larger and brighter in our sky. It's as if the moon is putting on its best show, shining with extra intensity. The November full moon is known as the Beaver Moon. This name comes from Native American and colonial traditions, marking the time when beavers are busy preparing their lodges for the cold winter ahead. It's a nod to the rhythms of nature and the changing seasons. This year's Beaver Supermoon is extra special. It's the largest and brightest full moon of 2025. In fact, it will appear about 14% bigger and 30% brighter than a typical full moon, making it a truly spectacular sight to behold. For the most breathtaking view, catch the supermoon right at moonrise. When it's low on the horizon, our brains perceive it as even larger, a phenomenon called the moon illusion. The effect is mesmerizing, making the moon look absolutely enormous as it peaks above the landscape. To experience this, find a spot with a clear view to the east, gather your friends or family, or simply enjoy a quiet moment, alone, and watch as this glowing orb slowly climbs higher into the night sky. The supermoon's light is so brilliant, it can cast long, dramatic shadows and bathe the landscape in a silvery glow. Even familiar places take on a magical, otherworldly appearance under its light. The best part? You don't need any special equipment, no telescope or binoculars required. Just step outside, look up, and let yourself be amazed by this natural wonder. So mark your calendar and don't miss this chance to witness a moment of pure natural magic lighting up the night sky. Now for Act 2, the Taurid Meteor Shower. As Earth passes through debris from Comet 2P NK, tiny bits burn up in our atmosphere, creating meteors. The Taurids aren't the most numerous, just 5 to 10 per hour, but they're famous for bright, slow fireballs. These fireballs can outshine Venus, sometimes leaving glowing trails or even exploding in a flash. The Taurid stream is wide, so you can spot meteors from late October through November, with 2 main peaks. This week, we're right in the middle of the action. Be patient. The reward is seeing a spectacular fireball blaze across the sky, a direct link to ancient comet dust. Imagine stepping outside on a crisp night, only to find the sky dominated by a dazzling supermoon. Its silvery glow is so intense, it almost feels like a second sun has risen after dark. But tonight, there's more in store. A meteor shower is about to begin, setting the stage for a true celestial showdown. When a super bright moon and a meteor shower happen at the same time, it's like 2 cosmic performers vying for your attention. The moon, bold and unmissable, tries to steal the spotlight while meteors streak across the sky, hoping to catch your eye. The moonlight is so powerful it washes out the faintest meteors, making them nearly invisible, like trying to watch a fireworks show with stadium lights blazing overhead. Only the brightest meteors can break through the moon's glare. Normally, meteor showers are best enjoyed under the darkest skies, far from city lights and distractions. But a full supermoon creates challenging conditions for stargazers, flooding the landscape with light. Still, the Taurids have a secret weapon. Their fireballs are so bright and bold, they can outshine even the supermoon. These meteors blaze across the sky, leaving behind glowing trails that demand your attention. You might not see as many meteors as you would on a moonless night, but the ones you do spot will be unforgettable. Each one a rare and thrilling spectacle. Instead of counting dozens of shooting stars, you'll find yourself waiting in anticipation for that one epic fireball to blaze across the sky, making the experience even more special. The challenge of spotting meteors in the moonlight turns every fireball into a cosmic trophy, a reward for your patience and persistence. So, even with the bright moon overhead, don't give up. Keep your eyes peeled and your hopes high. Nature's fireworks can still steal the show, surprising you when you least expect it. It's a true battle of light in the night sky, and the fireballs are ready to put on a show you won't soon forget. Get ready for a night of cosmic surprises, because when the moon and meteors meet, the universe always has something spectacular in store. Want the best view? Here's how. For the Beaver Supermoon, watch moonrise on November 5th. Find a spot with a clear eastern horizon. For Taurid meteors, your best chance is after midnight, when the radiant in Taurus is high. The supermoon will be bright all night, so try to block its glare with a building or trees. Get away from city lights. Find the darkest spot you can. Let your eyes adjust for 20 minutes and avoid looking at your phone. Dress warmly, bring a blanket or chair, and get comfortable. You don't need to look in any specific direction. Meteors can appear anywhere. Relax, be patient, and enjoy the show. Trace constellations, marvel at the supermoon, and watch for those Taurid fireballs. It's the perfect way to spend a night under the stars. What makes this overlap so special? This is the biggest, brightest supermoon of 2025, shining right as the Taurid fireballs peak. It's a dramatic face-off. The moon's steady brilliance versus sudden fiery meteors. The alignment of Earth, Moon, and comet debris is a rare clockwork event. Nature's timing at its best. Every 7 years, the Taurids can produce even more fireballs, but even in a normal year, surprises happen. This unique combination won't happen exactly like this every year. It's a chance to witness the power of orbits, comets, and cosmic coincidence. The contrast between the glowing moon and blazing fireballs makes for a truly memorable night. Don't miss this rare astronomical treat. There you have it, a giant Beaver Supermoon and the fiery Taurid Meteor Shower sharing the sky. Even if the moon hides fainter meteors, the supermoon alone is worth seeing. Step outside, look up, and let yourself feel a sense of wonder. You don't need to be an expert, just curious. Watch the moon, scan for fireballs, and enjoy the moment. Events like this spark curiosity and connect us to the universe. Share the experience with friends or family, or savor it solo. Whether you see one fireball or just the moon's glow, you're part of a cosmic event. The night sky is the greatest show above Earth, and this week, you have a ticket. Don't miss it. Look up.